Here's a game, 2-stone handicap. I'll play in the corner that's open, one of the open corners. And he takes the other one. So let's approach right away. We need to start some fighting if I'm going to overcome the handicap. In J go, 17Q. Okay, and he takes this side. Let's see, I can come back here and try and expand out on this side. Later thinking of coming into the corner. Okay, so he's trying to secure this corner. Maybe I should also jump in the middle here somewhere. If I approach on this side or this side, actually wherever I go he'll probably pincer, won't he? So maybe I should do a high approach. If he pincers there, I can think of linking up to these stones. Just like to, and I have room for a 2-space jump here. Just like to have some influence to break up this side here. Prevent black from building big territories. Okay, and so he's defending this corner. So let's play here, trying to build on this side and looking at this corner. He defends the corner. Okay, so that's good. What can I do now? Can attach here. He can hane, I can block, he can cut. So maybe I should just try and protect this area a little bit. I don't know, that might be too slow a move. I could also have considered branching out over here. So he's approaching this corner. Don't have to respond right away. Let's continue playing over here for a little bit. Okay, so he's going to try and keep my stones from linking up. Let's extend once. See if he wants to keep extending there. Yeah. Okay, now do I want to come back and respond over here? Could go with the pincer again. There's room for a 2-space jump here. So if I go here, it's got 2 different ideas. One is to pincer on this side, and one is to branch out and try and link up with these stones again. So he comes on top. So that allows me to do the 2-space jump. And then I can slide underneath this stone. And then start to look back towards the corner. And he goes and secures this corner. Okay, so I should do something with this area. It's gotten a little weaker when he put these stones here. So let's see if I can influence him to defend his corner here. He stays on top. Okay, let's hane here. And okay, well this seems like a decent area here. So the big areas on the board are here and here. This is a pretty far jump from these stones. Let's see, if I were to play here and he responded here, then the move would be to block here. He's already got that. I wonder if I should just invade the corner here. He hasn't protected the corner on this side. But if I approach from this side, then he can invade. Then he can block, and then he can get the corner. So we'll start a little fight in the corner here. And I don't know, maybe that invasion doesn't work. And he branches out. Okay, so I'm going to should I extend or should I hane? Cuts, I can capture. He cuts, I can capture, but it leaves 2 cuts. Let's extend once to make that a little bit stronger. And okay, let's extend over here too. And then, you know, I don't mind if he wants to try and attack this group a little bit more. Do I? Actually, I want to extend once more. Then come back over here and look to this side. If I go here and he blocks, I can extend. And okay, so he's just surrounding this area. So I think I will let him do that. Well, let's Hane once here. See how he responds. Then, you know, I can actually jump out from this stone. Kind of peeping at that little connection there. See if he wants to extend. And then place a stone over here to kind of link these groups up. So that's a 2-space jump in either direction. Let's go low so he's not tempted to invade. The 4th line is high and the 3rd line is low, and they say that you should have a balance of high and low stones. So I'm sacrificing that 1 stone there. So is he able to build a big territory in the center? That's the question. Or should I immediately start to do something about it? Okay, well, there's this side here. It's also big. And let's place a high stone here. And so from this side and from this side, I can reduce his influence on the center. Yeah, so he goes on top. So let's just pull back and let him build a wall. I'm getting 4th line territory here, and he is getting big center influence, but I think it's not going to work out in his favor. So for example, can I play here? Actually, just right in the middle. See if he wants to try and kill that stone. That's a little bit nervy playing like that. He should block on this side. But attaching maybe is not the best way to block, is it? After an attach, I can Hane. Turn this into a fight with a move like that. Let's see. So if I go here and he cuts, do I have enough space to live in? Yeah, so he cuts. Let's protect on this side. He's going to capture that stone. But now I'm kind of looking in at this side. So I think I've reduced his territory quite a bit here. His potential in the center. And I don't mind that that I've sacrificed a stone here. That's not a problem. And I'm giving him this area. And that's a good move. That's like a monkey jump. He's building his territory and taking my territory away. And can I attach here? Let's see if I can get away with that. If he Hanes, I can block. Because on that side, I can block like this. Let's see, so this has how many liberties? 1, 2, 3. So I extend. I can cut. Just wondering to have some forcing moves here. And let's protect these stones first. And then come back and think about maybe ways to further invade here. And here, let's make sure I stay connected over here. And then over here. Ah, so he came back to this corner. That's a good move. This was a big open space over here. Let's protect that cut. Let's extend. So he's got this space. Yeah, he finally took that stone. So my plan was to block there. And let's just connect here. He should have probably Atari'd here at J at J6, right? He could have Atari'd there instead of connecting there. So he's just building out his wall, putting walls around his territory. So I guess he's given up on making more space here, huh? Well, maybe he's going to come back and invade later. So maybe I should come back and secure this area at some point. A stone on the 3-3 point would stop any corner invasions. Okay, let's block here. And block here. And block. So where can I invade here? I can try and cut this stone off. He never really defended it. Okay, so he's allowing me to cut that stone off. Okay, so we'll connect there. And let's see. So I can extend on this side. Okay, so if he goes here, I connect. Maybe I should secure this corner here. So what have I got? I've got two corners, and he's got two corners. I've got this side and this side. He has a pretty big corner here in this area in the center. He has this area here. Let's see, can I try counting? If we think of this as, well, that's interesting. That's not going anywhere, is it? I block, he extends, I block. He extends, I block, he extends, I capture. Yeah, it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so I was about to start counting. So say I have these two rows from 4 to 19. So it's at 15 times 2 or 3. That's about 45 points there. There's a few points there. This is maybe 4 by 5, 20 points. So what's that? 45 and 20, 65. There's another 2 rows here times 10, 20. There's 3 rows times about 10, 30, so 50, 115 points. And yeah, he just doesn't have that much. Okay, so I should just play defense here. And like I said, let's take the that 3-3 point there. So we can't invade. And then let's shore up all of these boundaries in my favor. So how many points does he have? He has, let's see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 3 is 21, 25 points there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 5 is 20, so that's 41. See, 2 times 6 is 12, 50, 60. And then this area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. So he has 80 points. So, but I had around 100, so I think I'm winning this pretty handily. So let's see, what's the best way to further reduce his territory? Can I come in here? Probably not. Let's poke at it and see if he just wants to defend it. He wants to capture a stone. Okay. Actually, that's good. Sorry about that. That's good because I have this this area here is weak. But I can capture that stone. See, he can cut here. So I have to make sure I stay connected. That the pillar of 2 is not a secure connection there. Okay, I've got to, I could block here, he connects. Block here, he connects. Now I have to capture that. I can block here. Yeah, I wasn't counting captures. I got a couple points from a capture over here. Let's block there. And let's extend on this side. Poke into his area. Block here. He's got to connect. He's got to connect eventually. There, he connects. Okay, so this is good. This has 2 weak points. He can cut here or here. If he cuts here, I can drive the stone that way and kill it. If he cuts here, I can drive the stone that way and kill it. So that's alive. This is alive. I can capture there. Here, I can poke in here. If he cuts, I can extend. Keep these 2 stones cut off. So I don't think he can cut. I extend and he's just got 1 liberty left. Yeah, so he has to connect like that. Then I have to connect. But I've stolen a point or 2 from him there. Then let's connect over here. And let's connect here. And in this place, can I play a stone here? If he cuts, I can Atari. He extends, I Atari, he extends, I capture. Yeah, so I can place a stone there. I'm giving up those 2 stones. I meant to keep those. I wasn't paying attention. When did he play that? Let's back up. When he played here. I should have connected immediately. Where did I play? I played there and connected that way. Yeah, bad move. So I should have connected there. And I can still come back and connect here later. So I gave up some territory there needlessly. Okay, so he blocked. Let's see, I can... Oops, back to game. Sorry. Back to game. I play there. And here. So we're getting near the end game. Let's connect over here. And let's connect here. So block here. He has to come back. Okay, so the last place I can extend is here, I guess. Attacking those 2 stones. And that's a dame point, really. Can he cut? I connect. If he cuts here, I connect this way. So cut there is no good. Maybe I should connect here. And I think that's it. I don't see, I could try some funny business over here, but he can just capture that stone. And similarly over here, he can just capture those 2 stones anytime. So this cut, this cut, this cut don't seem to lead anywhere. This cut looks interesting because of the stone already here, but can't see how I build on it. Like I cut here, he Ataris, I extend. It's just got nowhere to run. He can just block in every direction. So let's just pass. And we will count it up. So my rough count said I was ahead by about 20 points. So well, we'll see. But I lost some points over here, so maybe he gets more in this area. So maybe it's I'm ahead by 10 points. Let's see what it comes out to. Check my counting skills here. Also, see if he finds any idea, any way to invade. I thought I secured everything. I guess it's okay there. He accepted it. I was thinking maybe it was vaguely possible to play something over here. So that stone was captured. Those were captured. Those were captured. These were captured. And yeah, about 100 points and about 80 points. So I called it. My counting was reasonably accurate there. So that's good. Well, anyway, good game. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you again soon. Bye.